Hey everybody, so the update with the GoPros, I finally got them back today. They literally used the slowest shipping method, whatever. Anyway, so I'm not really bitching or complaining, but so I got them back. They came in, I'll put pictures of them at the end of this video. But I had to update them, okay? And guess what? In the middle of updating, this happens. It is frozen. Let's see, where's the camera at? I don't know if y'all can see that or not. It says downloading update, and it's frozen. I can't touch the screen or nothing. And using my iPhone 11 XR, whatever it's called, it said everything was fine. And then right when I went to control the GoPro again via my iPhone, oh man, it said I needed to update again with the same reason for the update. So I don't know, man. But the thing is, with the Osmo Action, super easy to use, super easy to connect to a tablet, a phone, or whatever, unlike the GoPro. Having issues with it. It took me half an hour just to get it connected to either my iPhone or this other tablet that I'm using. And yeah, half an hour to do it. And the Osmo Action is literally super freaking easy to do. So anyway, so I'm going to keep trying. I've already uninstalled, reinstalled the app, restarted the phone, restarted the tablet, all that stuff. Took the battery out, charged the battery, because the batteries were charging while I was waiting for the GoPro to get back. Anyway, so to me this is really unacceptable. But like I said, it's frozen here. I'll show you guys. I don't know if you can see. So I am touching the screen and it's not doing nothing. Okay. So I don't know. GoPro, get your crap together. Seriously, you're like one of the top brands out there. And the only reason these big companies that you guys are supporting or whatever, because they got lots and lots of your cameras to use. So if one's acting up, they just switch to the next one. Or switch to the next one and the next one. So not like people like me where I have one or two to rely on and they're just junk. They don't sync, they don't update or anything. So it is what it is. I don't know. I just wish GoPro would have just gave them my money back. You know, whatever MSRP at the time when I bought them, because I paid $350 each, brand new. So whatever. Anyway, it is what it is, but like I said, that is where my GoPro is stuck on right now. As y'all can see, it's stuck on that. So I'm going to tinker around. So I'm going to stop this video for now. I'm going to tinker around and see how it goes. And if anything, I'll just get a hold of GoPro and see what they say. Of course, it's going to be weeks of emails back and forth because third world countries doing this stuff, they don't understand English. They're going to want to say, oh, let's see the videos, let's try this, try that. And it's all going to be hogwash just like everybody else. I'm not the only one having issues with GoPro. There is a lot of other people. So if you just go to their website and look at their forum, and there's other forums online besides just on their website, a lot of other people are having issues. Guy returned them within the 30-day mark, and it's been almost 3 months. I think he says like 80-something days, and he still hadn't gotten his refund back. So yeah, so that says a lot about GoPro for you. So anyway, so I'm gonna stop the video right now and see if I can get it working right. But like I said, the Osmo Action, super easy to use. The only drawback with the Osmo Action is you have to have internet connection or whatever to download the Mimo app, the Osmo Mimo app or whatever, and you have to activate the Osmo. That is it. If they got rid of that, GoPro would be dead in the water. So anyway, so yeah, I'll be back in a few with whatever I had to do to get it fixed. All right, so I'm actually using the Osmo Action to record what's going on here. So I restarted my phone and my GoPro, and this is what's showing up on the GoPro screen. It says micro SD card. Check your camera's micro SD card. Well, I've checked it, so whatever. And now it's not doing nothing. So I'm pressing the power button. There's nothing in the manual that says what to do. So try to do this. So it's giving me that. So now it says update complete. Kind of hard to focus, but anyway, it just gave me the little thing that says update complete. So I'm going to cancel this. And let's see. So it says GoPro not found. Then it says, okay, camera found. So control your GoPro. Enable preview. Join. Oh, and this is another thing about GoPro. If you leave the app while you're filming, so if you connect your phone to your GoPro, so you can see what you're seeing, right? You can see what you're seeing. If you leave the app and go back to the app, you have to reconnect the GoPro. So, but with the Osmo Action, I do not have to do that. Okay? So here goes. So let's see, I'm going to go back to settings. So let's try this on my phone. So settings, which is a little wrench thing. So all this, auto off, no screensaver. Turn the screensaver off. Sorry, none of these action cameras actually focus anywhere close. Auto off. I put never because I don't want it. So let's see, voice control off. Voice language English, beeps, LED, quick capture, blah, blah, default mode, auto off. Alright, done. Alright, so that took me an hour to get this working. So now what I'm going to do, turn the action camera around. So that's another thing about Osmo Action. It's got a front-facing screen. I wish I knew about the Osmo Action before GoPro, because I would have bought this and never messed with a GoPro. Anyway, so now everything's working, supposedly. See, I'll do this thing so I can see what I'm seeing. Okay, so now I'm going to exit the app like that, right? So it's not really closing the app on my phone, it's actually running in the background. I'm going to go back to GoPro, open it up. Look at that, maybe they fixed it. So we will have to see. So anyway, that is that about this. It's just annoying how it's not simple to use. Like I said, the only issue I had, the only little issue I have about Osmo Action is, well, yeah, is the whole, you have to activate it before you use it. Then the GoPro, they sent out new GoPro, right? RMA, I don't know if it's really new. And I'm also trying to find out if there's a warranty on the RMA products. I know there's a 1-year warranty or whatever from the initially purchased cameras, but I emailed GoPro asking them, is there a warranty on the RMA replacement cameras? Because if not, what's the point in sending me they told me they were new, but what's the point in sending me a new camera and there's no warranty on it? I thought some of you guys, y'all might say, oh, shut up, stop crying, whatever, blah, blah. Well, some of you guys actually get a lot of money for doing YouTubes. You're sponsored by either GoPro or somebody to where you're not paying out of pocket. Okay? I'm on a fixed income, whatever, blah, blah, blah. So, it is what it is. So, other than that, thanks for watching. Leave comments below. Like I said, if I knew about the Osmo Action last year, when I bought my first GoPro, I bought one Christmas last year and I bought one as a Father's Day gift to myself this year, I think it was. And yeah, so who knows? They may or may not work. Right, they should. Anyway, like I said, if anybody's out there wants like a simple, easy to use thing, get the Osmo Action. Honestly, way easier to use, and you get the small rig version 2 case, and it has like a little feet thing to connect everything on there and all that, so you get to your batteries and your cables and all this other stuff. Then everything's fine. It's great. So, and the only reason, and I may sell my GoPros. I'm going to lose money on it, but I will be happy with the Osmo Action because I have not had one issue with it. But the only issue is that you have to activate it before you use it, which if DJI would do away from that or something, you know, that'd be great. I don't know why they do that. Anyway, so it is what it is. Osmo Action, yeah, you got my pick. I'm stuck with 2 GoPros, and I'm going to try to sell them without losing a lot of money. You know, oh yeah, another thing with Osmo Action is you can replace the screen, the camera lens cover if it gets scratched or broken. Unlike the GoPro 8, you can't. So, and like I've told a lot of people, the GoPro 9 is what the 8 should have been. The 8 just pissed a lot of people off. So there you go. Thanks for stopping by. Thanks for watching, and have a great rest of the week.